Guru, you can start that.
Our project title is Text to Speech Conversion using MATLAB. Our team members are Tarun Pandyam, Dinesh Kumar, Guru Prasad, and Kanmani. Next layer. Introduction to speech synthesis. What is speech synthesis? The computer technology that constructs human speech from electronic circuits to replace pre recorded human voice. And what is the task? Generating natural sounding speech on the fly, usually from the text. And it is used to translate written information into oral information where it is more convenient. Next slide. The disadvantages of Braille system. And the errors cannot be erased, and it is more costly, and non-availability of each type of books are not possible to make articles, newspapers, and etc. And it cannot be read by a sighted person who has not learned it. Next, going to explain by Kanmani.
Thank you, Guru. So let me start with introduction to voice stick device. It is a text scanning device for the visually impaired people. The stick, when scanned in the printed letters, the OCR function recognizes the text and converts the information into voice. The voice will then read back and thus helping the visually challenged person. It can read books, emails, etc. with a perfect sound. So this is the architecture of TTS system. First, let me start with the text to phoneme module. The input text input will be get into the normalization. Then the text in orthographic form will be converted from grapheme to phoneme conversion, which consists of levels of grammar rules, orthographic rules. Then we get the phoneme string, which will be combined with prosodic modeling. By combining these, we will get an phoneme string plus prosodic annotation, in which we are getting acoustic synthesis. Finally, we get the output using various methods. Then we got the synthetic speech output. Next slide, Darun. Working principle. The speech synthesis is often known as text to speech TCS system. It consists of two parts. First, it takes a raw text and converts letters, numbers into their written one word equivalents. This process is often called text normalization, tokenization, or pre processing. Then it assigns phonetic transcription to each word and divides and marks the text into various linguistic units like phrases, classes, and sentences. In second part, it takes the symbolic linguistic representation and converts it into actual sound output. So next,
Thank you, Kanmani. Now I am going to explain that code in MATLAB, and I show the output from that MATLAB. Uh, this is a MATLAB window. This is that code for that mini project. We give you a function as TTS sentence. If margin less than 1, it means the number of sentence or number of words in that, and sentence equal to that sentence what we going to change to audio is given in that sentence. And then we assign try in that we declare net dot add assembly system dot speech. Then speaker is equal to system dot speech dot synthesis dot speech synthesizer. This is used to give input to speech and output for the speaker. If the tilt symbol is a sentence comma cell. sentence is equal to sentence, which means it goes for each word to speak, and in that for loop the n is equal to 1 and the length of the sentence. So the speaker speak whatever it is written in that sentence. Now I am going to show an example for hi, I am Sri Iswar College, but that sentence is go. If I run that program means this sentence is going to become a audio.
Hi, I am Sri Ishwar College bot.
Uh, for example, I give another example.
Hi, good work.
Like that it works, so that the remaining parts will be explained by my friend Dinesh Kumar.
Thank you, Tarun. Coming to the advantages, it is easy to operate. It provides nearly natural sound. It is more accuracy in medical systems. It reduces the human effect in the case of any application. It provides talking machines for deaf people and better aids for speech therapy. Coming to the applications, the speech synthesis working devices for blind, automatic reading of a computer screen, voice operating mode in smartphones, voice controlled vehicle, robotics, railway announcement, etc. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.